Hello guys, Alex Grampion here. I hope you're well. Today we got 2017 Vauxhall Mokka. I'm going to show you how to replace the pollen filter. So got the new one there. That's the part number in case you're after one. So it's behind the glove box. All you have to do is pop this bit here off first. Someone snapped that before, so in case that happened, you can always pop it off of the other side from the inside there. And what you have to do now is squeeze this side in. As you can see, there's a tab there. Squeeze that past, and then also in the same time you have to squeeze this side, and it will drop out. See, doing it while filming, it's not ideal, but as you can see, that popped out. That one popped out as well. And here we got the pollen filter. So all you have to do is press the tabs in. Like I say, that's helping you got both of the hands in the same time. And then this cover pops out. There you go. That opens up. Get the old filter out of there. And obviously you got the direction of the flow that you can see there with the arrow. So if you got a lot of rubbish in there, try and get it out of there so it doesn't make a noise in the vent system. But yeah, at this point all you have to do is to compare the new and old pollen filter and just put that one in there, lock it up and just close everything up and job done. There you go, that's in there. Clip it in, and like I said, now you just have to clip that bit onto there once it's locked and you'll be fine. There you go, and just push it on. Nice and easy. You might have to squeeze it in a little bit, like I said, hopefully you managed to undo it from the bit that you were supposed to. That's just for the soft close on this. Like I said, it does help when you're not holding the phone. There you go, that's clipped in. And that's all done. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful guys. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also got a video on how to reset the service light on this as well. Have a good day, bye.